Hi and welcome. Lisa here with a product reveal for Whimsy Stamps Slimline Pines Stamp Set. This is a 4x8 stamp set that includes 3 pine images and 5 words. The largest pine image measures 7 inches wide by 1.5 inches high, and the fir branch measures 3.5 inches wide by 2 inches high. You can stamp the images and color them with your favorite coloring mediums. I love using these images for random stamping using monochromatic with a pop of red. This would be beautiful heat embossed with gold embossing powder on red or black cardstock for a quick and simple card. Now I have a few samples to share with you featuring this gorgeous stamp set. My first sample is the monochromatic with pops of red berries. I stamped this card in 5 minutes, super simple for the holiday rush. My second sample was a little more involved. After coloring the pines and running them through the scan and cut, I added puff snow around the corners to create my winter scene. Now for more information on the products in this video, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the link in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram and Pinterest, where you'll find more inspiration. Until next time, take care.